Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Ram 1500 battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and some safety gloves. Always prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and gloves. Make sure your truck is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. The battery is usually found under the hood, often on the passenger side, secured by a hold-down clamp. Now let's disconnect the old battery. It's crucial to always start with the negative terminal first to avoid any accidental sparks or electrical issues. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable. After that, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal in the same manner. Finally, unfasten the hold-down clamp that secures the battery. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Carefully lift the old battery, remembering they can be quite heavy, and set it aside. Clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly with a wire brush for optimal connection. Place the new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, ensuring both are tight. Before you're all done, perform a quick double check of all your connections to ensure they are snug and secure. Consider applying a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. This helps prevent future buildup and extends battery life. Now, start your Dodge Ram 1500 to confirm everything is working perfectly. Remember to properly recycle your old battery at an authorized facility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.